What's up, fam? Welcome back to Tommy Bites Homestead. Thank you for being here today. I am standing inside of my food pantry, also my preparedness pantry with more than just food in here. I want to show you something. I bought potatoes to plant, well, to chit out. And I bought the potatoes a week and a half to 2 weeks ago, sat them in the chair, still in the bag and in another bag, but not a paper bag, and had them under my chair, thinking, well, I don't need to take them down to the pantry because I always bring them down to the pantry every time I'm going to grow potatoes because it's cool in here, it's dark in here, and I keep them in like a shoebox. I'll find a shoebox, put it in because I can close the lid down and they'll be in darkness even if the light is on. Well, I forgot about the potatoes. And I'm like, dang, these potatoes didn't even chit out. And I really need to, get these planted. So I have done this. So hopefully in the next few weeks, I'm going to be late doing it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, so don't matter what kind of shoebox you have. If you want to grow you some potatoes, buy you some organic potatoes and find a shoebox or something. Put them in the shoebox, however many you want to do. I figure out with these small ones, I'll probably end up doing 3 in whatever container I have them in. And then just close it up. Same over here for the white potatoes. These will probably chit out faster than the red. That way when I come in here or somebody else come in here, guess what? No light is getting to it, okay? So we'll check back on these in a few weeks, or we'll check back once a week and see where they are. So guys, I just checked the weather and I don't see any low temps when it comes to freezing, not even near freezing. At least not for this week coming. So guess what? I'm kicking these things out of here. And I bought $12 worth of seeds yesterday from Lowe's, and I have misplaced them. I bought cucumbers, marigolds, some other things, snap peas. Can't find the bag, and I really don't want to have to rebuy that, okay? That is so frustrating. But let's go ahead and get these put out. I'm not doing the hardening off where I'm bringing them back in the house. I'll just close up the greenhouse at night if I can remember. Okay, so I have the majority of my tomatoes out here now. These are peppers, and more peppers. So I'm going to, I need y'all help with where I should put the raised bed that I put together from Vigo Garden. So check out this next clip and I will see you guys in the next video. I have to head out of town to take care of something with my husband. Just keep him in your prayers, y'all. Yeah, love you guys, but God loves you more. Well, I must say the temp is taking a change. You see I have on a hoodie. Yesterday I had on short sleeve shirts. The day before I had on short sleeve shirts. Listen, this weather's crazy. Winter is still trying to hold on to us, y'all. Y'all hold on to it. Hold on as long as you can. Spring is coming. Let me show you how I know spring is coming. I forgot to close this up last night, okay? Forgot to close up the little greenhouse that I got. But look at here, look at here. Spring is coming. You see the color in them leaves right there? Spring is coming. Even though we're going to have some 30s, but spring is coming. Want another reason why I know spring is coming? Look at here, look at here. No, they ain't trying to bloom. No, they ain't trying to bloom. That feeding did them some justice, and we got some new growth down here. Come on now. Y'all know I have, these are my muscadines right here. I'm thinking that these are my blueberries. Y'all can let me know. I think these are my blueberries and these are my blackberries. And then I have my tomatoes. They still doing good. Let me pause that. Did you hear me? Tomatoes. 787B in March outside. What? They got their first feeding. Then over here, I have my bell peppers over here. Come on now. They still looking good. They still looking good. Now, I haven't gotten around to the trees yet. I got a lot going on. A lot of things I got to get done. But this tree didn't even look like this the other day. It was that one over there that was looking like that. But now this one is looking like this. And I showed y'all this one. Now, this one here, I think she done. I think she might be done. God dog. That means I got to get another tree. But we're going to see. We're going to see. Because like I said, she got this growth coming out of her right here. So I don't know. Y'all can let me know what I should do with this tree right here. Okay? Broke Farmer, let me know what do I do with this tree right here. Or anybody else who growing trees. And I don't want to hear, take them out the bin. They still producing. They still producing in these. Yeah. Come on now. Look at here. Even more blooms on my plum tree. Now, I've been busy last night. Video coming soon. This what I've been doing. Putting together this Vigo Garden raised bed. I will leave links in the description because you can get 10% off your entire order. No matter how much stuff you order, you get 10% off if you use my promo code Tommy Bites Homestead 10 off. Okay, get you a 10 off. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'm doing this video extra because I need y'all help. Where should I put it? I can't remember the length. It's 17 inches. It's a 9-in-1. I chose that size right there. Now I got another bed I got to put together from them. But that's for another video. So this is where I was thinking. Right here. Right here. Let me back out so you can see. Right here on this side. Because you get the shade from this tree here. Now my sun come up over here. So it'll get some sun, but it'll also have that shade. And I'm thinking I can put some vegetables in it that don't like the heat a lot, but they do need a little sun. Y'all let me know. Now, this got to be weed eated, if that's a word, weed eat. So, I'm going to have to weed eat this area. I would say I will have my husband doing it because he coming home today, but y'all, he don't feel well. So, I need to weed eat so you can even see that it has bricks down here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. This area here, and I'm going to lay cardboard down after I weed eat. I might even put down the black stuff, landscape fabric. So, that's a spot right there. And then over here, I was thinking about it. But then I would want to have another one of those beds so it wouldn't be by itself. So these two beds here, I had onions in these maybe 2 years ago. I didn't plant them last year. And these were beds we started out with when we first moved here. Now these two beds used to be right there. But then my husband built these. He was going to throw these away. And I said, no, we can grow onions or something in here. Just put them outside the fence. And so that's what I did. But the onions didn't do well. It stormed really bad. There's no protection right here. And when that wind starts whipping from this end and that rain starts to blow in, it destroyed my onions. So I don't think I want to put anything here, honestly. But what I do want to do, because this has to come out, get my shovel one day, because it's really stuck to the ground right now, and I ain't gonna throw these away. This the right depth right here to sit into my bed over there, and then put some soil, put something down, and some cardboard down, put some soil in it, and then plant in that. Since I can't really plant yet and have fruit in that bed yet. It just don't work. So that's what I think I'm gonna do with these two beds. But I want to know, should I put that Vigo garden bed right there? Where's the other spot that I have? I thought about over here in this area by my shed, because my rabbits used to sit right there. But over here, this is gonna be all full of plants. They coming back. They come back every year. Where you see these things right here, those are beautiful plants. I don't know what they are. I can't tell you. When they come out, then y'all can maybe tell me, or I get the plant out. But I thought about putting it here, but how this is marked off, I would have to pull this black thing up, divider up, and then put it there. But it's too pretty to be hiding over here. And then I thought, well, what if you put it right here in front of the shed? That just hit me just now. What if I put it right here in front of the shed? The only problem with that is you can see the path of the water that comes from that hill over there, from that drainage pipe, and comes through my yard, goes through my neighbor yard over there, and it goes through my neighbor yard into her garden by way of underneath the shed here. Okay? So I'm like, if I put it there, it got to be from here to there, because if it goes beyond it, and then this is not even, so that's a no. Never mind. But something gonna go there, but I don't know what yet. So the other place I thought, because the one that I'm building, I'm gonna move all the one that I have to build, the next one, I'm moving this stuff here, and I'll put it on this side of the, so it'll be like a kitchen garden, even though my kitchen is up there. So, because this is my basement, I thought about cutting this stuff out and putting it here. But I don't know. Maybe I should sit it down and see what it looked like. This is option 1. So when you reply to let me know what you think, this is option 1. Now that greenhouse might not stay there, but it could. This is option 2. Sorry for the angle, but this is kind of a hill I'm on. Such a cute Vigo garden bed. I would love to change my whole entire, this whole garden, and I love my garden, into Vigo garden beds. This is option 2, and it kind of blend in because even though my brick does need some washing, pressure washing, it kind of blend in with the bricks on the side of it. That's why I chose this right here. I started to choose gray because my home is gray also, but I don't know. I kind of like it right here, y'all. Y'all let me know. Although a raised bed over where I had it by that window would look nice too. And then when I get the other one, which the other one is a new product that they have just pushed out, and it's the one where you don't have to bend down. Now that one is going to be tricky because you're definitely going to have to use something to fill it up. Now I wanted to fill this up when I did the video, but I got to get some soil. And this ain't the weekend for that, honey. This ain't the weekend for that. So it will be getting filled, y'all. And I will be putting down some cardboard here. I think I'm going to leave it right here for now and see how it grows on me. But I like it. So option 1 or option 2, let me know in the comments. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for being here. I hope that you are subscribed. If you're not, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on, and hit that like button. Leave your comments below. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I'm to the point I might have to put some shades on just to talk to y'all, but I don't like talking with the shades on, you know. But the sun is really bothering me. So I'm about to end the video. Again, let me know option 1 or option 2. Thanks for supporting the channel. It means a great deal to me and my family. So for seriously, watching the videos, for tuning in anytime I post a video, and leaving your positive comments. All the negative comments, keep them to yourself. So I'll see y'all in the next video.
Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with